Yo, I never fuck weight, I never fuck drink. All my life, man, fuck sick. If I did, I'm a notch with him and let him eat my ass like a cupcake. Nigga, he just ate. I don't touch nobody but tape. Yeah, that was a setup for a punchline. Duct tape. What the fuck? Worry about trying to straight. Trying to kick. I don't give a fuck. I'm late. Hot 1, hot 2, big titties, big butt 2. Fuck with them real niggas who don't tell niggas what they up to.